What if one simple tool could turn your paper, photos, and fabric into personalized badges, magnets, and keychains in minutes? Meet the multi-size DIY Badge Maker, a creative tool that makes it easier than ever to create custom badges at home. No more guessing sizes, no more messy hand cutting. With its 2-in-1 cutting and pressing design, you can cut your artwork to the right size and press it into a finished badge, all with one streamlined device. Ready to turn your design into a real badge? First, choose your design, place it under the matching cutting die. Align your artwork, press down the handle to cut it to the perfect badge size in seconds. No measuring, no guessing, just a clean, accurate cut ready for badge making. Next, place the badge shell, your cut design, and the clear protective film into the mold. Align the molds with the A mark, then press the handle down to create the badge front. Then add the backing piece, align the molds with the B mark, and press again to lock everything together. In just 2 simple presses, your idea becomes a beautiful, personalized badge. From cute mini badges to bold statement pieces, the Interchangeable insert system supports multiple badge sizes and shapes, opening up more creative possibilities for badges, keychains, party favors, and more. It is ideal for scrapbooking enthusiasts and perfect for ongoing creative projects.